We'll guide you through how to use Inkscape as a PDF editor. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your desktop, then go to the File menu at the top left and select Open. Choose the PDF file you wish to edit from your computer. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select specific pages of the PDF if needed. Make sure the Import via Poplar option is checked for the best compatibility, then click OK. Once your PDF is loaded into Inkscape, you'll see each page of the PDF as a separate layer. You can edit text by selecting the text tool from the toolbar on the left, then click on the text you want to modify, type your changes directly into the text box. If you need to move or resize elements, use the select tool to click and drag them around the page. To add new elements, like shapes or lines, use the drawing tools from the toolbar. If you want to add an image, go to the File menu, select Import, and choose the image file you want to insert. Position it as needed. Once you've made all your edits, it's time to save your work. Go to the File menu and select Save As. Choose PDF as the file format from the drop-down menu. Make sure the Convert Text to PAS option is checked if you want to preserve fonts accurately, then click Save. A dialog box will appear with PDF-specific options. Just click OK to finalize. Now you have an edited PDF ready to use. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.